Welcome to StatLab StatCrunch videos. Today we're going to be seeing how to calculate the sample mean and sample deviation from a given frequency histogram. In this problem, the result of a random sample of the number of pets per household in a region are shown in the histogram. Estimate the sample mean and sample standard deviation of the data set. So when I look at it, I have 4 people having 0 pets, 6 people having 1 pet, 8 of them, the number of households, 8 households having 2 pets, and 3 households having 3 pets, and 8 households having 4 pets. So most of them either have 2 or 4. So what I do is I simply going to open up my StatCrunch, and I'm going to go ahead and enter my data here. So it's number of pets, and the other one is number of households. So I'm just gonna say number household. Alright, and I'm then gonna enter my number. I have 0 pets, 1 pet, 2 pet, 3 pet, and 4. And the household, the frequency is 4, 6, 8, 3, and 8. Now once I have it, I'm going to go ahead and click on Stat, Summary Stats. Remember, this is a grouped data, so group data bin. My variables are number of pets, and my frequency is number of households. You're simply going to click on Mean and Compute. When you compute, your final answer is going to be 2.17. Rounded off to 1 decimal place, it's 2.2. Alright, now if I want to go ahead and find my standard deviation, I go to Options, Edit. Instead of picking Mean, I pick Standard Deviation and Compute. And my standard deviation is 1.4, rounding off to 1 decimal place. Alright, now let's move on to the next problem. In this problem, I have the classes and the frequency. So let's go ahead and read what it says. The distribution of number of hours that a random sample of people spend during chores per week is shown in the pie chart. Use 32 as a midpoint for 30 hours. Make the frequency distribution for the data. Use the table to estimate the sample mean and sample standard deviation. Now let me go ahead and click on the pie chart here. And I see that my classes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 classes, and the class width is 5, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my StatCrunch, and I'm going to construct a frequency histogram here. I'm just going to close the previous one and open up a new one. Okay. So this is going to be, let's see what it says, class and frequency. Okay, let me go ahead and put up. This is the class and this is the frequency. It is, remember, it's number of hours the people spending to do their chores. So I'm just going to put it as a class here. So 0 to 4 is the first class, 5 to 9 is the second class, 10 to 14 is another class, 15 to 19 is another class, 20 to 24 is another class, 25 to 29 is another class, and 32, I need to add 5 here, so 30 to 34 is another class. And now if I go ahead and put in the frequency, it's 4, 10, 23, 16, 15, 13, and 4. Okay, and again it's a group data, so stat, summary stats, group data. My bins are, I'm putting them in classes. The frequency is in frequency. You're going to go ahead and click mean and compute. The mean is 16.8, rounding off to 1 decimal place, 16.9. And if you're looking at the standard deviation, you're going to go to edit. Instead of mean, you're going to click standard deviation and compute, which is 7.75, rounding off to 1 decimal place, 7.8. Hope this helps.